សួស្តីអ្នកនរគ្នាថ្ងៃហ្នឹង I'm back for another TryHackMe Spark ថ្ងៃហ្នឹងយើងធ្វើពី brute. It's an easy box. It teaches you how to learn how to brute, hash cracking, and escalate privileges in this box. I've already started the machine. ហើយយើងចាំមកផ្លែត5 second ទៀតយើងអាច try ក៏បានដែរ In this box you will learn about brute force, hash cracking, privilege escalation. Okay, I connect to the TryHackMe network and deploy them. I've already done that. Let's check it out. We've got the IP. Let's ping it. Yes, it's working correctly. Let's go to the recon. Before attacking, let's get information about the target. Search for open ports using unmap. The unmap node, IP, we should get the answer relatively quick. How many ports are open? What version of SSH is running? What version of Apache is running? Which Linux distribution is running? Search for hidden directory on web server. So will there be a web server in such Apache? Input directory អីមួយទៅវានឹងបាន the hidden directory on the web server which we can access. How about getting the shell? Find a form to get a shell on SSH. A form? Is it some sort of form bypassing? What is the user password of the admin panel? Crack the RSA key you found. What is John's RSA private key passphrase? User text and web flag. Okay, let's go by one. We've got 3 port open. Do I have to do 2? Was it 2 because the report is filtered, meaning we don't know if it's open or not, so we can try to do a service enumeration detection, service script and version detection on the 2 port we just found, which is the SSH service and the HTTP service. What would be the hint unmap SSSV machine IP? Start scan. Okay. Wait, what was the question? Version of SSH. Something open SSH here. Before we can do a directory buster in the background. URL, and then this is how you do a directory brute forcing. Common or common? Let's try common. Common.txt. We should find some directory that we can use. Okay. What version of Apache? 2.4.29 is the version of Linux distribution. Is an Ubuntu. Admin. There's an admin max directory. Okay. What would be the hint here? Yep. Same what I did. We can also use other directory enumerations tool like derp or fluff. Find a form to get a shell on SSH. Let's see. user or password. Okay, it's not telling us out any name. Hey John, the username is admin. Username admin. Your password. No. Is there any other index HTML? I think it'll be no, it's not the same. Yep, it's this page for the index HTML. I think since it is a brute force machine, we can try to crack it. Let's see if there's any other pages we can find. If not, we'll do a Hydra. Clear Hydra. Dot finish admin 8 staging in the Hydra for user admin. The password we want. What password do we want? I'm not sure either. Normally I would use the Unix from find up homebrew dot name Unix password. txt. Is it in homebrew? Too much def.low. Good. Rock you list. I think we can use the rock you password list, which where is it at? I have no idea. I think it's in my testing ground. CD catbird list. CD John. That's clear. My files are all over the place. CD rock you. Print working directory. Rock.text, and then we can specify the I forgot how to do this. We learn by example. We'll give you a bunch of or we can use Burp Suite for it. Yeah, let's use Burp Suite for it instead. Burp. Admin test. No, it should be in Burp Suite. No, yeah. Let's put it to a repeat and include admin. By testing here, add now. Remove load. We have testing ground. John, which stands for John Ripper. Rock you and rock you.txt. Let's set the attack at that maybe I'll start. Or is it starting in the background? Oh, it should be just start. Is it too much? No. No. It is starting, but I cannot find where it is at. What could the silence playing in it? I'm hearing the sound of it, of my PC just going nuts. One minute, I think it's too much. What is this? Oh my. That's just too much. Let's just try it one by one. Not that an easier way to just do it, but let me change the section and let's try if any of these work. I don't think that it will work anyway. Nếu viêm tại Roman nính we try on a plate but then more such a odd stuff. So admin Jessica Yep, it doesn't seem to be working for any of these. Hydra brute forcing is so stupid sometimes. Monkey. Bởi vì đã mà đầu tiên bên hành trình lại mau xem thì để cho mà Here, Prophet Rock You, Baby Girl, Jessica. It's finding all the password because we're trying 16 tests but we find out none yet. Let's see, what's the user? Could it be just a simple nope. Let's put this into AI because Jam syntax way, but there's a syntax to not do this, you know. Pajam alignment. No. It's not so important, but you can. Username. Let's check it with email on the bird on this. Or we can use a good password. Listen burps in no segments. Oh, in that, what happened? Oh, name user and pasta. Why is this not working? Testing. Oh, I'm stupid. I'm using burp suite on. That's why. What password we just say weird. You see, sometimes you just gotta Google stuff. Oh, in this case, use AI. FM. I know it works, but I just don't remember the syntax for it. Okay, hey John, file initiative on website. Here's your RSA private key. Oh, we've got one. Web. Brute it. Wait. CD try. Military brute it. CD brute it. Copy. No, I mean copy the link address. Copy the link address. ID RSA. Now we want to crack the ID RSA, which cracking SSH. No. ID RSA. ss2 John. Wait, do I have ss2 John installed? Wait, ss2 John, we can only what John? Now I want to just locate it. Where's my ss2 John? Where is ssh2 John located? And Mac. Yeah, I know. You don't have the locate. Yep, it's Minang Tagay. You know the syntax we how to crack it though. Ssh.private id hashes whatever this is, sometimes it's just stupid, I guess. I think we'll just use the updated version of it. I should have a hash now, yep. Okay. Now we can do the John wordless. John wordless, which is equal to, what's the wordless again? Oh, let me hit that. Cái we have bạn là Thoáng Dương. The places this tools where we installed it, input John. In this video I didn't explain much because I think it's relatively simple on what I'm doing. Then we can just do the ssh.hash. Chúng ta vừa chơi như nhỉ? Rock and roll. Is it rock and roll? Now we can SSH it using the to SSH with ID OSA. This is logging with the public key, but we have the private key. With quick search with how to log in to SSH with private key OSA key that I have cracked the passphrase for. Oh yeah, it is that one. ID OSA admin add. They kind of hold your people back. Explain whilst doing this. Yes. Cmod 400 ID when you name on it. Rock and roll. Is it not rock and roll? It is rock and roll. Why? Hey John. Oh, I think this is John's password of admin. Yep, so we should be in. John booted. User text ls cat user. A password is not a barrier. Okay. Now let's get into privilege escalation. Find a form to escalate your privilege, but it's the root password. Okay, that's some stuff we can do, like transferring WinPs or whatever. I don't know if we want to do that. That is quite. So let's do sudo root first. No, we found not the password. No password was on there. Come on, sudo. Oh, here. This is interesting. We can do the cat. Current as bookmark. Show all bookmark. Everyone privilege escalation. Yeah. An easy way to privilege escalation we can do sudo all which leaves the យើងមើល command ណាដែលយើងអាចប្រើបានដោយគ្មានត្រូវការ sudo ត្រូវការ password របស់ root or password អីទេយើងប្រើ sudo ទៅមានគេដាក់ no password needed for the bin cat so we can do a cat sudo เนี่ย file to read sudo cat file I think it will be interesting. I'll file root because it should says root.txt, right? Yeah, root.txt. We get privilege escalation without any. But now we have to find the root's password. I don't know if we're gonna do this SUID bit 1. Cat out the see the password. How about cat out the see the shadow. Maybe we're supposed to do this. Let's see .shadow domain file to read sudo file. Yeah. This is a string. Let's try to crack it. Oh, you can ask what hash is this? Okay. Copy it in echo. No hash loaded. I think it's maybe I'm dumb. Oh, but I did remove hash echo. How about now? What's the error? Yeah, I thought so. There's an identity. You know what? I'll use ChatGPT for this one. I know you put research stick man. If we have a good note on it, we can probably do it easily, but cracking SSH. Chẳng bị bùng quay nè. Technology earn it. See? ChatGPT is so much smarter. But then again, no, it should stop cracking it. Like ChatGPT explained, remain username and pass field and aging info and flags. We just want the password field to crack. We just share 512. I don't think it's that easy to crack share 512 num. Now let's check another attack vector. We can maybe escalate the user from. There's also a name for TryHackMe, which looks maybe easier. No, it's not at all. Share 512. Next escalation. I have a whole list, but haven't gotten to really try to look weird with again. Organize it. Anything interesting? No. Wait, what is this? UUID. UUID. New. Neutrona. Apartment. Oh. Okay. Nothing there. No, I mean nothing of interest. Oh, 已经可以的分包了。Relatively easy because you can just hash it. Let's just check that in. Search for GTO. Huh. Maybe this is the intended route. But we unstoppable, whatever. I guess that's it for the bullet. Thank you, everyone. 你呢สักบ้านจะยังเชิญเลยสักบ้าน explain เชิญ but I'll try my best to explain better next time. Thank you.